Hello everybody, welcome to Engines of New Jersey Transit. Today I will talk about the PL42ac. The PL42ac is a diesel electric 4-axle locomotive built by Alstom with GM-EMD 710-16 prime movers for New Jersey Transit. The first 33 locomotives were manufactured at Main Fesa plant in Valencia, Spain in 2003. Later units were assembled at the Alstom transport plant in Hornell, New York in 2004 and were produced through early 2006. The power rating of the PL42ac locomotives is 42,000 horsepower. Total for tractive effort and head-end power. The locomotive has a design similar to the GE Genesis, mainly due to the fact that both the PL42ac and the Genesis series locomotives were designed by the same industrial designers. This locomotive uses IGBT technology with precise traction computers for tractive effort. The PL42ac has 800 kilowatts head-end power with WABCO's Epic 2 braking system, along with an E7 wheel slide device made by Wabtec, preventing flat spots on the wheels through the software and hardware. The PL42ac has an intelligent display unit IDU based on Bombardier transportation technology, from which an engineer or technician can view data or download events and faults from the previous weeks or months. The technician can do a host of tests from the IDU to determine if a specific system is operating correctly. The PL42ac uses computer hardware and software to control functions and to protect the engine. For example, if the onboard computer detects too little oil in the system, it will shut down the engine to avoid damage. The PL42ac has been described as a rough rider by train crews due to severe lateral motion while at high speeds. On the Atlantic City line, high speeds must be maintained for long distances. So PL42ac locomotives are no longer in use on the Atlantic City line. Now for some facts about the PL42ac. The gauge for the locomotive is 4 feet to 8.5 inches. The wheel diameter is 42 inches. The length is 69 feet and 10 inches for the entire locomotive. The width is 10 feet and 8 inches. The height is 15 feet and 5 inches. The locomotive weighs 144 tons. The fuel capacity is 2,250 US gallons. The maximum speed is 99 miles per hour. Operators of this locomotive is the one and only New Jersey Transit. Numbers are 4,000 through 4,032. Please stay tuned for the later video. I'm going to be going to Summit Station, where I'll be recording some trains and uploading it later today. Everybody, have a great day and stay safe. And thank you for watching Engines of New Jersey Transit, the PL42ac. And if you're feeling generous, please subscribe. And if you would like to like that, I would be really happy if you'd do that. And everybody have a great day.